dogs are clearing a path for the dogs to go poop. So this is going to be a shallow path, though, because you can't get all the way down the bottom. You're taking out the table.